Hey guys, this is Balu from Balu Prime and once again welcome you all back for an exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, let us see how we can track our footage and place 3D text onto them inside Adobe After Effects using Element 3D plugin. So I hope you will find this tutorial useful, but before going to that, if you end up liking this video, please click on that like button, do share this content, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing my channel and support me. So without any ado, let us start this. So here we are in After Effects. Now let us start this by importing our footage onto this project panel. Further, right click on this project panel, import, select your footage, or else you can directly drop your footage onto this project panel. Now again drop your footage onto this composition icon here. Now select your footage layer, come to this tracker option. If you are not finding this tracker options, go to this window and enable tracker from here. Now being selected your footage layer, click on this track camera. So it starts analyzing our footage and gives us some tracking points when it is done. So once the tracking is done, we got this bunch of track points here. So let me move forward in timeline and let me select this bunch of track points here. For that, hold mouse left key and simply draw on this bunch of track points. Nice. Now right click on them, create solid end camera. Select this create solid end camera. So we got a solid created here. Now let us see whether it is perfectly tracked or not. Here you can see it is tracked perfectly since this track solid is following the footage. Nice. Okay. Now let us input our text. So further click on this text icon here and input your text. So I will be giving as tracking only. Okay. Now let us create a solid layer for Element 3D. For that, go to this layer options, new, solid. Let me rename this as element. Come to this effects and presets panel. Look for element and drop it onto this element layer. So now come to this custom layers, expand this one. Now again expand this custom text and mask. And in path layer 1, select your text layer. Now click on the scene setup. So we got a new window open to working Element 3D. Now click on this extrude button. So we got our text here. You can see we got our tracking text here. Now come to this preset options, bevel, physical. Let me apply this material onto this. Okay. Now again click on this create button. Let me create this solid plane. Let me increase this scaling. So XB35, YB35. Now select your text layer. Let me bring it upward. Let me bring it here. Okay. Now select this plane model. Come to this material options. Select this physical. Click this. Select this matte shadow and drop it onto this plane model. Now hit OK. So we got our text here. So now go to this group 1 options, expand that one. Expand this create group null and select create. So we got a group 1 null created here. Now select your track solid layer. Press P on the keyboard for position options. Select those position values. Go to this edit, copy those values, come to this group 1 null layer, press P on the keyboard for position, select that position values, come to edit and paste them. Now let us hide out this text layer and also this solid layer. Okay. So our text is here, we need to increase the scaling. So for that, come to this element layer, particle look. Let me increase this particle size to 45, or else let me increase this to 65, or else still we can increase this to 85. Okay. Now let me go to this particle replicator, rotation. Let me place it like this, and also X position. Let me place it here. Let me position it downward. Okay. Now come to this render settings, ambient occlusion, enable ambient occlusion and increase this intensity to 10, or else let me change to 20. Okay, samples change to 16, or else 32 also would be fine. Okay, now let us see the preview of this. So here you can see this 3D text is following our footage layer. So in this way we can track our footages and add 3D text onto them using Element 3D plugin inside Adobe After Effects. So I hope you guys have learned something new from this tutorial. If you have learned anything new from this, please click on that like button. Do provide your valuable feedback or comments. So we will meet in the next video. Until then, signing off. Take care. Bye.